Hello, I'm Cornelius Fichtner, PMP, and I would like to introduce you to the 7 criteria for selecting your PMP exam simulator, because the project management professional certification is a must-have for many project managers. It demonstrates your ability as a project manager to your current and prospective future employers, and it can help you take the next step up the corporate ladder. But that much said, it's not an easy road, it's not an easy exam, and preparing for it can be time-consuming and stressful business. As adults, we don't take exams that often. Part of the nerves and stress relating to the PMP exam comes from not knowing what to expect. You can prepare for the exam by revising the materials from the knowledge areas in the PMBOK guide, but that is only part of your preparation. You should also practice what the exam will be like by working through sample questions in a realistic online environment. And a PMP exam simulator provides this. Taking sample tests with an exam simulator will help you face the real exam confidently. So, here then are the 7 criteria that you should consider when selecting a PMP exam simulator to best suit your needs. The first and most important criteria is making sure that you choose a PMP exam simulator from a registered education provider, or REP. An REP is an organization approved by PMI, and the certification and logo shows you that the product meets established quality standards. Studying for the PMP exam can be expensive, especially when you include the cost for training materials, books, and the exam fees in your calculation. So you are probably going to have a budget for your PMP exam journey. Therefore, compare the prices of PMP exam simulators and select one that provides the highest level of quality for a price you can afford. And also, don't waste your money on an exam simulator that isn't based on the most recent PMBOK guide. It sounds simple, but be sure to check that the PMP exam simulator you are about to buy is actually based on the latest version. If it isn't, you could waste a lot of time on questions and answers that will not accurately reflect what the exam will be like. Next, you also want to select a PMP exam simulator that has lots and lots of questions. And I mean lots. After all, you'll be studying for about 8 to 12 weeks, so you could be using the simulator quite often. It makes the exam prep too easy if the simulator shows the same questions again and again. So go for a tool that offers you a great variety to test your abilities to their fullest. And while you are looking into the questions, find out who wrote them. Choose a simulator where the questions have been written by a group of PMPs. This ensures that you will be seeing questions from a variety of people, which have most likely been peer-reviewed to ensure their quality. The PMP exam simulator you choose should have a full exam mode. This means that you can take practice exams in advance, just like on the real thing. It should be very realistic, with the option to mark questions for review, as that is what you'll be able to do during the actual exam. Ideally, you'll also want to choose a simulator that enables you to take the tests as many times as you like. And you'll also want to check that the questions are presented in the same proportions as on the real exam. For example, about a third of the questions in the exam are from executing a project. So your choice of a PMP exam simulator should do the same to make the practice exams as realistic as possible. The learning mode in an exam simulator is a great option to help you with your day-to-day studies during your PMP exam preparation. You can use learning mode to review various areas of the syllabus. For instance, you might want to focus on questions coming from just the project cost management knowledge area, or just from the initiating process group. You should also be able to take a quick timed exam with a small number of random questions over your lunch break. In learning mode, a good simulator offers hints for questions if you're struggling and will even show you the answer so you know what you need to review. And the simulator must explain the logic behind the questions and point you in the right direction if you make a mistake. PMP exam simulators come in one of two forms. They are either web-based or you download them and install them on your computer. Either way, find out what sort of technical support the company offers. Ideally, look for a company that provides help when things go wrong, maybe through a forum or an FAQ on their website, and check if they have a good Contact Us page. In the worst case, you might want to return the product completely, so find out if they offer a full refund if you are not satisfied. Work your way through these 7 criteria for every PMP exam simulator that you are considering, and you will find the product that meets your needs. Having chosen a PMP exam simulator, you can then use it to fully prepare for the exam, and you will enter the exam room knowing what to expect. If you would like to try a simulator that meets all of these 7 criteria, then try the PM Exam Simulator at pmexamsimulator.com and click on the free trial button. Until next time.